Distortion of a bearing occurs when either of its mounting surfaces are not perfectly round. This is called out of round. The condition may exist in the housing or in the shaft. The result is that rolling elements travel through areas of zero clearance and local pressure is exerted between the elements and the raceways. A typical bearing damaged by distortion reveals flaked areas at points of pressure and scored surfaces due to the particles breaking off. The corrective action is to have the shaft or housings remachined, sleeved, or renewed before fitting new bearings. After the pause, we shall discuss the problem of misalignment.